install guest additions in your virtual machine which is running a guest operating system. Your operating system could be a Windows operating system or a Linux operating system. Why you need guest additions? Guest additions provide you some extra functionalities, such as you can create a shared folder and use that shared folder in your guest operating system. This folder you see here, I have this folder in my host operating system, which is Windows, and I'm able to access it here. Another functionality is when you are using your pointer device, that is the mouse, and you click inside your guest operating system or virtual machine, your mouse pointer gets captured or locked. You can move it inside here, but you cannot move it outside. You need to hit the home key, which is by default the right control key, as you can see at the bottom here. This is your home key currently assigned. So in order to release my mouse pointer, I have to hit the right control key and then I can move it outside. So if I have guest additions installed, I don't have to hit the right control key to move my mouse pointer outside this guest machine. And as I said, we can also use a shared folder. I have already shown how to create a shared folder in host operating system and use it in guest operating system, so you can refer to that video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we'll see how to install guest additions. I'm running CentOS Linux in this virtual machine. You need to first launch your VirtualBox manager. I have these two machines set up here. So this machine I am currently running. Go to devices. Please note that if in view you selected scaled mode, then this menu will not appear. So you need to hit host key, which is the right control key, and the C, so that this menu would be appearing back. Go to devices and then point to this insert guest additions CD image. This is part of your VirtualBox application or the installer program, so you don't have to get additional CD for this functionality or CD image. You see this prompt because there is a program which is auto executable or of auto run type. So when this image is mounted, that gets run, and you see this prompt for an action. So open auto run prompt. Okay, yes, I want to do this. Run. It's prompting me for the root password. So if you are not familiar with Linux, just remember that in Linux root is the admin account, so I have to give it the password here. If you are using Windows, you will need your admin credentials. If your user account is not having admin privileges, authenticate. As it's a script, so it's running in a terminal window. As you can see, you may need to restart your guest system to finish removing the guest drivers, etc. I have observed that in most cases you don't have to restart your virtual machine. This guest addition works fine without restarting the virtual machine, but just in case you need to, you can restart your virtual machine. So the script has finished running now. Press return to close this window. So I hit the enter key. I can now move my mouse pointer outside this guest machine. So that's all to it. Thanks for watching.